Build wealth while sleeping every night. What if you could make money while you're sleeping? Not because you're lucky, not because you work 24 hours a day, but because you've built something that keeps earning long after you've stopped working. The truth is, rich people don't just work for money. They build systems that make money work for them. Today you'll discover how. Lesson 1: The problem. Most people follow one simple formula. Work, get paid. Stop working, stop getting paid. It's like carrying buckets of water every day. Miss one day, no water. The wealthy think differently. Instead of carrying buckets, they build a pipeline, a system that keeps flowing whether they're working or not. The question isn't, how hard can I work? It's, what can I build that works for me? Lesson 2: The secret of assets. The biggest difference between wealthy and average people is simple. Wealthy people buy assets. Assets put money into your pocket. Examples include rental properties, dividend investments, small businesses, digital products, books, audiobooks, YouTube channels, online courses. You might work once, but these assets can keep paying over and over. Imagine creating something today that could still earn money next year. That's the power of an asset. Lesson 3: Compounding. Have you ever planted a seed? You don't expect a giant tree tomorrow. You water it, take care of it. Wait, money works the same way. A small investment grows. Then the growth starts growing too. This is called compound growth. Small actions, repeated consistently, can create extraordinary results over time. The trick isn't speed, it's patience. Lesson 4: Build multiple income streams. Depending on one income is risky. What happens if that one source disappears? The wealthy often have multiple streams of income. One paycheck, investment income, rental income, a side business, affiliate income, digital products, content creation. You don't need 5 today. Start with 2, then 3. Build one stream at a time. Small streams eventually become a powerful river of wealth. Lesson 5: Create things that never sleep. Here's a simple rule. Buy things that pay you. Build things that pay you. Own things that pay you. While you're sleeping, your investments can grow. Your book can sell. Your YouTube videos can be watched. Your digital products can be downloaded. Your business can make sales. The goal isn't to work forever. The goal is to build assets that never sleep. Lesson 6: Powerful outcome. Remember these 4 rules. Work for money, then make money work for you. Buy assets. Invest consistently. Build multiple income streams. Create things that earn while you sleep. The best time to start was years ago. The next best time is tonight, because every asset you build today could be paying you tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple wealth building ideas. Like, share, and check out our other money tips. Until next time, thanks for watching.